Hello students. Now we are going to continue our lesson, that is big data, big insight. And we discussed in last periods that big data is useful in different type of sectors of our life. First of all, it is used in the location tracking. Then we can understand that the big data is used to understand the weather pattern, as well as it is useful in the healthcare industry. And we also discussed that the data is used in banking, finance and trading also. And big data is very important in the sport also. It means the sports is also use big data. And now we are going to discuss the another use of big data, and that is in advertising. It means advertising big data is also useful. Okay, the page number of the textbook is 39, and point number 6, that is advertising. Okay, now look at the passage. Advertisers are one of the biggest player in big data. One of the biggest players in big data. In short, what can we say that? We can say that the big data is useful in advertising, and advertisers use big data in the for advertisement, and the use is very big. Okay, it means it is the biggest use of big data by the advertisers, be it Facebook, Google, Twitter, or any other online giant. All keep a track of a user behavior and transactions. Okay, you know that very well. This big data is used by the advertiser, and advertisement is on always the Facebook, Google, Twitter, and any other online giant. And these all giants keep a track of the user's behavior and transactions. And obviously, after observing the behavior and transactions of the user, they keep their advertisement for their product. आया ध्यान में कि फेसबुक, गूगल और ट्विटर पे जो एडवर्टाइज आते हैं, तो ये एडवर्टाइज देने वाले जो एडवर्टाइजर होते हैं वो बिग डाटा का यूज़ करते ही जो यूज़र होते हैं उनका बिहेवियर पैटर्न कैसा है, उनका ट्रांजेक्शन कैसा है, ये सब देखते हुए वो उस चीज़ का यूज़ करते हुए एडवर्टाइजमेंट करते रहते हैं. और इसलिए इट इज़ सेड दैट एडवर्टाइजर्स यूज्ड बिग डाटा इन फॉर एडवर्टाइजमेंट. These entertainment giant provides a great deal of data about people to advertisers so that they can run targeted campaign. Okay, these entertained giants, which Facebook, Google, Twitter, or other online giants. These giants provide great deal of data about people to the advertisers. Okay, these online giants that are Facebook, Google, and Twitter. What can they do? They do that they collect the data. They collect a great deal of data about the people, and they tell this data or sell this data to the advertisers so that they can run targeted campaigns. And who are the targeted campaigns? Obviously, we it means users of that Facebook, users of that Google, and users of that Twitter or any other online giants. Okay, take Facebook. One example is given here. That example is about the Facebook. We can discuss about that example, that here you can target people based on the buying internet, website visit, interest, job roles, demographics, and what not, everything. Okay, example is given here of the Facebook. When we use Facebook, you can also target people based on the buying intent. It means the attention of the people on the particular thing, दॅट इज कल. मराठीमध्ये आपण त्याला कल म्हणू शकतो. ओके, कोणाचा? लोकांचा कल पाहण्याकडे फेसबुक काय करतं की जे टार्गेटेड पीपल ऑर द युजर्स असतात त्यांचा बेसिकली बेस काय आहे, बेसिकली कल त्यांचा कशाकडे आहे, त्यांचं इंटेन्शन कशाकडे आहे याकडे ते लक्ष पुरवतं. आणि त्यानुसार मग ते वेबसाईट्स व्हिजिट असो, इंटरनेट्स असो, किंवा त्यांचा जॉब रोल्स असो, त्यांचा इंटरेस्ट असो, किंवा डेमोग्राफिक्स असो. डेमोग्राफिक मीन्स स्टॅटिकल्स डाटा रिलेटिंग टू द गिव्हन पॉप्युलेशन अँड पर्टिक्युलर ग्रुप्स विदिन इट. इन शॉर्ट, इन मराठी वी कॅन से दॅट लोकसंख्याशास्त्र. how much or how many time we visit the particular website. In short, जैसे कि किसी एक वेबसाइट को अगर हम विजिट करते हैं तो हमने कितने बार वो वेबसाइट का यूज़ किया है। तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, अपने इंटरेस्ट से जब हम किसी वेबसाइट पर विजिट करते हैं तो ये अपना इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट करता है और इसी डाटा का यूज़ करते हैं, फेसबुक हो या फिर गूगल हो या ट्विटर हो। जैसे यूजर का कल होता है, इंटरेस्ट होता है, इंटेंशन होता है, उस तरह का डाटा वो प्रोवाइड करते हैं एडवर्टाइजर्स को। और एडवर्टाइजर्स क्या करते हैं, दैट दे यूज दिस डाटा एंड गिव देयर एडवर्टाइजमेंट ऑन द फेसबुक, ऑन द गूगल, ऑन द ट्विटर ऑल्सो। Okay, that's why it is to be said that target people, that is users. Okay, take an example of Facebook, that here you can target people based on the buying intent, website visits, interest, job roles, demographics, and what not. Each and everything, we can say that each and everything. All this data is collected by Facebook algorithm using big data analysis techniques. Okay, this data is collected by the Facebook, and they analyze that data by using the technology and algorithm, and they can know about the interest of the people, and in this way they use our personal information or our information or our big data, and they also inform it to the advertisers, and so that they can target their campaign. The same goes for Google. Just like that, Google is also done in the way of Facebook. Facebook का जैसा एग्जाम्पल दिया है, सेम विथ गूगल ऑल्सो. When you target people based on clicks, you will get different results, and when you create a campaign for leads, then you will get different results. Okay, result is different when your choice or when your interest is based on your click, then it will get a different results. And when you create a campaign for leads, then obviously the result is also different. In what way it happened, why it happened, because of all this is more possible only made possible by using big data. And that's why big data is useful in advertising. It means it plays an important role in advertising or advertisement. Okay, next point, that is the entertainment and media. Big data is also used in the entertainment and media. In the field of entertainment and media, big data focuses on targeting people with the right content at the right time. It is very important, right content at the right time. Okay, in this field of entertainment and media, big data focuses on the targeting people with the right content at the right time. Right time पे right content पर फोकस करते हुए एंटरटेनमेंट और मीडिया ये भी बिग डाटा का यूज़ करते हैं. बेस्ड ऑन योर पास्ट व्यूज एंड योर बिहेवियर ऑनलाइन, यू विल बी शोन डिफरेंट रिकमेंडेशंस, है ना. तो आपका जो पास्ट व्यू होते हैं वो, और आपका बिहेवियर ऑन ऑनलाइन, आप जो भी ऑनलाइन क्लिक करते हैं, जो भी टाइप करते हैं, तो ये सब देखते हुए वो फिर आपको रिकमेंड भी करते हैं. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द रिकमेंडेशन आर देयर व्हेन दे ऑब्जर्व द योर पास्ट व्यूज एज वेल एज योर behavior on behavior online. Okay, these techniques is popularly used by the Netflix and YouTube to increase engagement and drive more revenue. महसूल, पैसा वसूल करने के लिए, या पैसा कमाने के लिए यूट्यूब और नेटफ्लिक्स का एग्जांपल यहाँ पे दिया है. नेटफ्लिक्स एंड यूट्यूब इज पॉपुलरली यूज दिस टू इंक्रीज देयर एंगेजमेंट एंड ड्राइव मोर रेवेन्यूज. ओके, तो देखो ना, आप यूट्यूब पे अगर कोई बात आप सर्च करते हो, आप किसी तरह का इंफॉर्मेशन अगर सर्च करते हो, तो वो इंफॉर्मेशन तो आपको मिलती है, उससे रिलेटेड सारी जानकारियाँ और रिकमेंड की जाती है. तो ये सब क्या कैसे यूज़ होता है, बाय यूजिंग द बिग डाटा, है ना. जैसे कि यूट्यूब पे हमने सर्च किया कि इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द वाटर सोर्सेस, तो आपको वो डाटा तो मिल ही जाएगा, लेकिन उससे रिलेटेड और कई इंफॉर्मेशन भी वहाँ पे रिकमेंड की जाती है. तो ये दिस विल हैपन ड्यू टू बिग डाटा ओनली. ओके, नाउ even television broadcasters are looking to segment their viewers database and show different advertisements and show accordingly. Now it is also in the opinion of the television broadcaster, they are also looking segment their viewers database, and they want to show different advertisements and show accordingly. This will also allow their better revenue from the advertisement and will provide a more engaging user experience. In this way, we can say that big data is useful in entertainment and media also. Obviously, this is depend on totally of the big data. ओके, तो अब तो एक ही पॉइंट अपना बचा है जो हम इसके बाद देखेंगे.